Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm on a train, the Citadella train, from Budapest, Hungary to Magyar Államvasutak, that place. And let me show you this train. It's a little different. So yesterday's train was like brand new and amazing. This one is a little less than that, so let's show you. So, just so you're aware, I'm on the Citadella line, MV-246 from Budapest, and I'm not going to any of those places, and I'm not going to Ljubljana. That's like that's another country. But like Romania, all the seats they're all in little rooms. So let me first start by showing you the bathroom. So I think that the bathroom always is a good indicator of what you can expect. I guess I was interested to see if the toilet goes straight down. I can't tell, and I'm not pressing anything to find out. So that's the toilet. Let me show you. I mean, the cars are kind of funky too, and the doors don't really work. So I'm just going to go down this line, and I'm not going to talk, and that way you can just see what the cars look like. Oh, here's another bathroom. Let's see how this one looks. Well, maybe this is just a hand washer, not a toilet. Okay, so this one is a little less than. Oh, here's a water closet. I don't touch things that I don't have to touch. Well, there's a stepper. Let me see if I can step. Does it just go to the ocean? Oh, hello. It's a gusher. Well, that's just interesting. So note to self, don't be sitting if you flush the toilet, because you are going to get a butt full of gooky gook. And at least this one has a bar of soap. That's a plus. And paper towels. So, but still, it's pretty... at least it don't stink. Maybe that's not a soap. Maybe that's a air freshener or something. Anyway, certainly an interesting train. Yeah. and there's really no assigned seats, I guess, too. But you know, it's always an adventure. I don't care where we go or what we do. It's always an adventure. Okay, everybody. Well. This is Eric in Budapest. Eric, no touchy icky bathroom doors or handles or nothing else. So that's it. Bye, everybody.